Those strong winds blow through the region. Power companies are now reporting thousands of power outages. Amy Wadas joins us live now in Murraysville. So, Amy, is it windy there as well?
Yes, it is windy here. The wind is picking up here, and I've had to hold my hat down while we're standing out here waiting for my live shot. Now, we have been watching along 22 here in Murraysville, these power lines swaying in the wind, and these traffic lights as well swaying right above 22. And we've, like you said, seen thousands of power outages throughout the area between Duquesne Light and West Penn Power. So crews are working as hard as they can to get power restored before that big Thanksgiving Day meal tomorrow. It's one of the busiest travel days of the year to begin with, so when you add wind to the mix, it makes for an extra exciting ride.
Lots of wind. It was pretty dramatic. I was glad I was driving a low-profile car.
KDKA talked to Scott Wise and his family at the Oakmont Service Plaza along the Pennsylvania Turnpike. They're heading to our nation's capital from Cleveland. Ryan Fink said he and his family are taking their time making their way to Richmond.
And it is slowing us down. We're traveling with 7 people, 2 kids, so 2 kids will slow us down probably as much as the wind does, that's for sure.
The wind, it was very breezy, didn't like it at all. It was making lots of noise, didn't like it.
West Penn Power crews say they're prepared if we see a lot of outages.
Expect to see outages pick up as the wind picks up, unfortunately. If you see a line on the ground, stay away from it.
Myers says the best thing to do is have a backup plan in case you lose power.
Be patient, have some foods on hand that you can prepare without, without electricity if need be. And that's, this is sort of the worst kind of timing because this whole holiday centers around eating.
For Karen Hertenstein, heading to Ashland, Virginia from Ann Arbor, Michigan, she's not letting the wind stop her from getting where she needs to go.
Yeah, we felt it. Hasn't stopped us, though. We're still going to Grandma's for Thanksgiving.
And Duquesne Light crews tell us they'll also have crews out working throughout the night to restore any power outages that they are dealing with. We also want to mention that Hampton High School had a power outage today, so they had to cancel all after school and evening activities. And just a reminder, make sure you plug in your cell phone now before you have any power outages, if you do, because you'll want to have your cell phone in case of an emergency. Reporting live in Murraysville tonight, Amy Wadas, KDKA News.